Rolling bench. Let's harvest efficiently. This is rolling bench. Set the rolling tables as much as we can. No aisles between benches. Why? Because aisles are wasting much spaces. This is how we use. Legs are fixed, but top moves sideways. Open an aisle where you need. Each leg's height can be adjusted, so the tabletop is nicely level. Leave an aisle, just one aisle, and harvest more. Installation is pretty easy. Our tables are custom made. We also have simple benches as well. Exporting is available. Thank you for watching.